Good morning children. Already we discussed about playing with magnets. Introduction I gave you. Magnet. Where you find magnet in our daily life? Fridges, doors. Pin holder I showed you. Cap of the inside the cap of the pin. Inside the cap of the pin holder to get the magnet to which the all pins or jumping clips will be attract and you can easily take out from the pin holder. Next coming to, we find the magnets in the fridges, we find the magnet in the even in the washing machine, isn't it? So what is a magnet? What is the use of the magnet? And who discovered the magnet? Who was that person? Shepherd, isn't it? 2500 years ago, Shepherd discovered the magnet when he was taking the sheep and goats for grazing. He sat near the pond. What happens? He is having a long stick with the metal cap. Just he keep the stick in the water. He felt hard to take out from the water. When he take out, he saw a very big stone is attached with that cap. That is what you call it, lodestone. Lodestone is a natural magnet. Lodestone is a natural magnet. The magnet which are discovered now we are having, which we are using, are called artificial magnets, man-made magnets. They are made by man by using the steel, iron, copper, alloys of metals, mixture of metals. So, mostly we get in the electrical gadgets, radio, TV, all these electrical gadgets have the man-made magnets. We discussed about the shapes of the magnet also, different shapes and different types of magnet. This is what you call it, bar magnet. This is what you call it, horseshoe magnet. This is a horseshoe magnet, isn't it? And this is what you call it, ring magnet. This is called the ring magnet. And this is what you call it, disc magnet. This is a disc magnet. So we discussed these magnets, isn't it? We discussed these four types of magnets also, isn't it? So now here, what is the use of the magnet? The magnet, we can separate the mixture of the iron fillings from the soil. We use the magnet. If any mixture is there with the iron fillings, you can separate it out by using the magnet. Attractive property is there with the magnet. What are the materials attracts with the magnet? Iron nails are there, or iron fillings are there, metallic bangle is there, safety pin is there, hair clips are there, isn't it? All this will attract towards the magnet. So these are called, what you call it, magnetic materials. Magnetic material. The materials which attract towards the magnet are called magnetic materials. Okay, fine. The materials which are not attracted towards magnet, what do you call? Non-magnetic materials. What are the examples of non-magnetic materials? Paper, chalk piece, duster, plastic, bottle, any bottle you can take, wood. All these are non-magnetic material. Example of non-magnetic material. So what are magnetic material and what are non-magnetic materials? The materials which attract towards magnet are called magnetic materials. The materials which are not attracted towards magnet are called non-magnetic materials. Already we discussed. Now here I will show you here you are seeing this is a bar magnet. This is called bar magnet. It is a bar magnet. Now here you see this. What I am doing, this is iron fillings. I used iron fillings here. See this, on which side you are seeing more iron fillings. On which side we are seeing more iron fillings. fillings towards the ends of the magnet. We are seeing the more iron fillings towards the ends of the magnet. So these ends of the magnet, what do you call? Poles. What do you call it? Poles. These are called poles. So here you will see North Pole and South Pole. Understood? North Pole and South Pole. So here you are seeing towards poles of the magnet more iron fillings. Means what you understand by this is that magnetic property is more towards the poles. You are seeing in the middle very less iron fillings you are seeing, isn't it? So you will see the more magnetic power towards the poles. So how many poles are there in the magnet? 2 poles are there. That is North Pole and South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. 2 poles are there in the magnet. Isn't it? North Pole, South Pole. Remember, North Pole and South Pole. So here you will see that these are called the poles. Now one question will arise. Ring magnet. Teacher, where do we find ring magnet poles? Yes, up top and bottom you see the magnetic property poles. You will see the poles on top and bottom in ring magnet. Where you find the poles? Top and bottom in the ring magnet. Okay, fine. So how many poles are there? 2 poles are there. That is North Pole and South Pole. Isn't it? North Pole, South Pole. So here you find more magnetic property. North Pole and South Pole. Here in the middle, very less magnetic property. Weak iron fillings. I showed you how the iron attracts towards the middle. And this ring magnet we find on top and bottom. So here attractive property. Now these are the properties of the magnet. Properties of the magnet. Attractive property. First property is attractive property. So here the magnet attracts the magnetic materials, and where you find more magnetic property towards North and South Pole. Okay children, next session I will explain you the directional property. Okay, thank you.